Hi guys, I'm Manu.
Hi, I'm Prerna.
And today we're making...
Frappuccino cookie sandwiches.
Yeah, Prerna came up with this idea randomly when she was at home and she got so excited she had to tell me immediately.
Yeah.
And so it's inspired by...
No, actually I was thinking about these copycat Starbucks cupcakes that are there these
I was
days.
going to say...
Yeah, I was thinking of that.
Inspired by Starbucks.
I thought I was like we should make it into a cookie form.
Yeah, so basically as you heard, it's inspired by Starbucks and it has all the classic Starbucks Frappuccino things in it.
Yep. I mean, I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail. And we have new videos every Monday. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and let's get started.
So you need some flour with baking powder, chocolate chips, butter, softened butter, caster sugar or powdered sugar, some brown sugar, again that's just crushed, an egg, coffee powder and vanilla, and all the quantities in the description. So it's a very basic cookie recipe. Just cream the butter together till it's really soft and then add the sugars and cream again till all of that is combined. Once it looks like that, just add in the vanilla and the egg. Mixing again, of course. And then the coffee, which was hard to take out of the bowl. The flour and the chocolate chips will go right in the end, and they'll be mixed in with a spatula. So ideally, cookie dough is always chilled for at least some time before baking, but if you want the cookies to spread, then do not refrigerate this dough. You can just use it directly, and if you want it to maintain a shape, then refrigerate it for half an hour or so. So that's the basic dough. Now that's just a silicone mat on a cookie sheet, and just measure dough with a tablespoon. And now there's just some water, and we'll be flattening them a bit. So just put some water on your fingers so that they don't stick to the dough, and just flatten them out a little bit so that they spread better. And these need to be baked at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size. So as you can see, our cookies are a little bigger than the regular kind. And now to assemble, that's some melted dark chocolate. And first we'll be spreading that on top of both the cookies and refrigerating till it's firm so that the whipped cream and the caramel sauce doesn't make the cookies soggy. So just spread it on evenly all across the cookie. So we let it chill and it's firm now, and there's just some whipped cream with a nozzle, caramel syrup, and those are some additional chocolate chips. So just pipe on the cream. Just imagine a Starbucks coffee cup in your head. And yeah, so that's the cream. And then we'll be drizzling on some of the caramel syrup now. And lastly, some chocolate chips. And then just top it with the other cookie and you're done.
So you guys saw the pictures and it's all ready and I'm so excited to have a bite. So I already ate some before, but whatever. Prerna, you can start.
I think I just want to use the open face one.
Yeah, it's easier to just.
You can actually taste the coffee in the cookie.
Can you? Because
Yeah.
I was
Now
kind
you
of doubting that.
See, I don't know, this like happened
I want to get
thrice.
lipstick on. By the way, it smells amazing. So sweet. Oh.
Once it cools down, you can taste the coffee, like, and that has happened to us a couple of times before. Then you tasted things when they were like fresh out of the oven, and you know you can't taste the flavors that much. But now you really can, like genuinely. You can't?
No, I can.
Oh yeah.
But considering it's a frappuccino cookie, I think a little more coffee would have been good.
Yeah.
And we put 2 full teaspoons in that much cookie dough. So maybe you can put 3 instead. And
Yeah, I mean, it totally depends.
on
if
how
you
much
like
like
coffee.
Yeah, of course. But it is a frappuccino cookie.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's
Okay.
amazing. Come on, like whipped cream, caramel, chocolate chips.
Caramel is one of Mahi's favorite things.
Yeah, I like sugar. So yeah, I mean, I love it. It's sweet. It's really good. As I said, it smells amazing. So
Also, great idea. Thanks.
very nice, great idea.
Yeah. So make sure you check out our previous video right here, and you can check out all our social media links. They are down in the description and also on the annotations.
And subscribe and come back next week.
Okay. Bye and see you next time.